Hi, I'm Christine Goodwin with the Jan Richey team, and today we're at 5116 Streamwood Lane in Plano, Texas, located in Old Shepard Place, West Plano, and it's zoned for Plano ISD. Come on, let's go take a tour. Beautiful wood floors flow throughout the home while natural light pours through multiple skylights. The spacious living room features rich paneling, built-in cabinetry, and a striking stone fireplace that anchors the space. The kitchen is both functional and inviting, offering double ovens, abundant cabinetry, and a breakfast bar that opens to a cozy breakfast nook. The family room includes built-ins and a dry bar with a beverage refrigerator, creating an ideal space for entertaining. The primary suite offers wood flooring with direct access to the patio and pool. The en-suite bath includes a skylight in the vaulted ceiling, dual vanities, walk-in shower, and a spacious walk-in closet. Out back, you'll find a private retreat with a pool, spa, and tall privacy fence. With easy access to George Bush Turnpike and the Dallas North Tollway, you're close to everything Plano has to offer. Thank you for letting me show you 5116 Streamwood Lane. If you'd like more information, give me a call. I'm Christine Goodwin, and I'm with the Jan Richey team, and I'll see you on our next home tour.